Hello, welcome to another dashboard lesson. Now we are going to make a dashboard of business analysis. For this we have our table, where we have the information of tax, date, seller, manager, subsidiary, commission, commission value, which I will put in percentages, quantity, price, and total.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
For this we also made a calculation of the sum of the quantities sold and the sum of the total sold and also of the overall total sold. So first I will add an image to our chart. So I will select here, I will put in download, and I will take this image that is below the class for you to import. So I already imported it in here. Here we will start with some information. First I will add a card, in which I will put it here, customize it, to then be able to apply to the other cards too. Here I will put the most sold product, so I will put the product here, but it did not come right. Let me just reduce the size, because it is too big, I will put 15. Here it pulled the first product. That's not what I want. I want the most sold product. For this I will put here top 1, here I will put product, here I will put in count and apply. Here it is ready, so we'll just add the category label. You have to change this category label that is wrong. Let's see, category label, I'll do it like this. Remove the category label and put it here in title, then I will put the most sold product. So I will put total selling with size 8, and here 9, it's ready. And now I will also remove the background, put our title here, let's customize it a little bit, ready. Our visual will also put here. Our first information is ready. Our second information, I will add a card, I will put the information of the total sold, I will put here, put the total sold, then to inform. I will apply some changes, such as here, let's reduce to 15, and also put here in count format, ready. I'll get this one and apply it here, I'll just change it here, and also our title, I will put the total sold product. Now I will add another information, which is the quantity of sales, quantity sold. I will remove this information and put this information here. It's ready. Let me get this information out of the filter. Here, let me just put it here, and already adjust our title to, then the quantity sold, and I will also add a frame to our region. And the region I will also add the filter to, then put the region, put it in and superior, put 1, and also put the region here. In count format, I will put our filter here. Ready, I will just put our title as region. Now I will start adding our chart, our first chart. I will add this type of chart here. I will position it, in which I will add the information of the date and the information also of the total sold, right? Here in date, I will put only the year and the quarter. I will take the month and the day. Here the year and the quarter. Total sold. And now I will customize it better. Let's see if it gets better. It's already okay. I'll just customize it. I will remove. This background, I will put our visual, which is the darkest lines. This one is cool. I will also put the data label. The data labels, I will put a white color here. Okay? I will also remove the information of the title here too, and I will position. Our title of this color, it can even be a different color to match the chart. Perfect? I will put a border and a background for our chart. Great. I will just reduce this information here, and now our chart is also ready. Our second chart that we will add is this chart here. I will copy and paste. I will change to this chart, and I will put the information of the manager here. Great. It was pretty cool too. And to leave a color pattern, I will put our color for it to match. Here, let me see what color these lines were. I will add a better blue. Here it is a matter of personalization, so let's see where that purple is. Our graphic was not really purple. It was blue, in fact, but not in this blue. I think it was this one. This one was cool. Now our next graphic. Then I will add a column graphic where we will add our matrix, total sold by matrix, here. I will put it in this position. I will move it here. I will remove this information. I will put our matrix to be right. Where is the matrix? Matrix. Let's locate here. Great. I will also personalize our column issue. Perfect. Great. So we already have our graphic ready, where we have the right information and we can adapt it to our projects.